10 reasons why your efforts to double down and get motivated are important. Welcome to our Top Floor Motivation YouTube channel. In this video, we'll look at why it's crucial to know what motivates you, how to set priorities in your life, and how you can double down and reach your goals. Receiving motivation is important because it enables you to learn where your drive comes from, why it fluctuates, what enhances and decreases it, which components of it can and can't be altered, and how certain types of motivation are more advantageous than others. Motivation represents something distinctive about each of us and enables you to achieve desired objectives such as higher performance, increased well-being, personal growth, or a sense of purpose. Motivation is a means by which you can positively alter your thinking, feelings, and behaviors. During these current social and economic times, the importance of finding solutions and resourcefulness is needed more than ever. Giving up is not and should never be the best option, and your ability to compound your efforts and double down on your motivation and progress is pivotal in surviving and flourishing. Here are 10 reasons why your efforts to double down and get motivated are important. Number 1. Motivation can help you get healthier. Motivation has proven to be one of the factors that make us stay healthier. No one likes to be sick or experience poor health. Being motivated to stay on top of your health is important because your goals and objectives can clearly be stated, which would enable you to work according to how you want to plan your objectives. Take the time to make an honest assessment of your health and do something to improve it. Or encourage someone you know to be more health conscious. Number 2. Motivation can improve your relationships. Be it among friends, family, in the work environment, or in a romantic relationship, motivation can help you to build steady relationships with people in your everyday life. Others may gravitate toward you when you're authentic and motivational. Number 3. Motivation can help you build new skills. Skill acquisition and skill building are important aspects of your life. Through motivation, you can be determined and ready to build new skills that would help you actualize your dreams. The benefits and rewards of staying motivated and using acquired skills to improve your life come with a sense of achievement and fulfillment. Number 4. Motivation can help you learn more. Learning is something that can occur every day in your life, and you can learn something new when you least expect it. Be open to opportunities to learn. Whether consciously or unconsciously, learning is bound to occur, and through motivation, you can learn more things that could be of benefit to you and others. Number 5. Motivation can increase your productivity. Productivity is one of the major goals of individuals and others. The ability to replicate and increase something would be beneficial to you whether it's at school, work, home, or with hobbies. Being focused, strategic, and productive can help you to reach quotas, deadlines, and goals. Number 6. Motivation can advance your career. From stage 1 to the highest stage, motivation can help you advance in your career because the determination to succeed would exist in you. Perhaps you're seeking a promotion or simply wish to learn new and valuable skills you can use in a different position. Being motivated to double down on your work efforts by taking extra training classes or courses can be helpful in advancing your career. Number 7. Motivation can inspire others. Aside from its development, the spirit of motivation would in one way or the other reflect on the lives of people around you. Motivation can help others to become a better version of themselves and inspire them to keep going when they feel like giving up. Number 8. Motivation can help you deal with procrastination. A truly motivated spirit would have no room for procrastination. When the goal is already set within you, procrastination has no time to breed because your sole aim is to achieve your goals. While you may rest or take breaks to prevent burnout, you would not allow yourself to drag your feet or hesitate on your plans and goals without a good cause or reason. You would know that procrastination can drain your motivation and seek remedies and solutions to prevent it from setting in. Number 9. Motivation is a goal setter. Motivation helps you to set your goals and follow them accordingly. Aside from setting goals, it helps you to look through the many contributing factors in achieving your goals. There's no better feeling than to be motivated, reach your goals, and appreciate your growth, especially when reaching your goals is helpful to others. Number 10. Motivation can encourage participation. It could be taking part in anything that would be beneficial to you and those around you. Whether you pitch in with others during a community food drive or attend a community rally for change, motivation can encourage participation on a collective and greater level. Importance of prioritizing efforts. Establishing priorities is necessary to complete everything that needs to be done. Prioritization is important because it allows you to give your attention to tasks that are important and urgent so that you can later focus on lower priority tasks. Prioritizing your efforts can't be overemphasized, as it can help you to achieve your set goals on time and adequately. In a world filled with a lot of economic challenges, your priorities should mostly be centered on things that are most important to you and yield the least amount of stress and difficulties. Having a list that contains all tasks in one is one of the ways by which you can prioritize your efforts. You should learn and know all tasks that you hope to achieve within a particular period. In addition to this, identifying what's important by drawing a scale of preference would not only make your work schedule faster, but also productive and easier to get done. When you've identified what you want to work with first, it can make it easier for you to undergo the task. Inadequately prioritizing your efforts without a sense of urgency and importance can interfere with achieving success. When tasks are written out, you should pick out the most important and urgent ones and work according to your listed objectives. Competing priorities should be completely avoided, as they will not only confuse you, but also haphazardly delay or prevent you from completing tasks. Motivation comes through effort, dedication, and determination to your set objectives. By applying the many ways by which you can be motivated in this video, your tasks can become much easier to undertake. You must be equipped with the right motivational skills to be on top of your game. The challenges you currently face may be obstacles, but that doesn't mean you can't rise above them. Doubling down on getting motivated should not be truncated by the challenges you're facing. If you allow negative and challenging factors to cloud your sense of motivation and efforts, then you may not solve your problems and reach your goals. Aside from getting the right motivation you need, you should also be able to help others by passing on knowledge learned to cushion the effect of the challenges you currently face. Knowledge shared, no matter how trivial it may seem, can help you to achieve what you intend to achieve. In your everyday life, problems are bound to arise, and it's left for you to use the knowledge you learned to double down and get and stay motivated. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, share, or leave a comment or thumbs up below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the top floor.